Okay, so today we're going to go over examples of set theory. So we have our A equaling to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have our B equaling to 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in this question, we want to find our union of A and B, our intersection of A and B, our A minus B, our B minus A, and then finally, we want to find our A complement. So the first thing we're going to go over is our A union B. So if you remember, the way to test for our union is we want to find every number that is in either A or B. So if we start off with writing what is in our A, which is our 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you'll notice that B is matching with 3 and 4. So when we're using our union, we do not need to rewrite them, we can just move on. So we can just add our 5 and 6 from our B. So next up, we want to find our A intersection B, which, if you remember, is what is the numbers shared between our A and B. And if you notice that our A and B both have 3 and 4, which means that our A intersection B, or our A and B, is going to be equal to 3 and 4, since those are the numbers that they share. So now we want to find the difference between A and B. So when we want to find the difference between A and B is we want to find the set of elements that are in A but not in B. So another way to remember this is if we have our A is we want to look at our intersection, and what we will do is, since we know that our intersection is what's in A and B, we just want to ignore them and write our normal A. So if we wrote our normal A down, that's going to be our 1, 2, 3, and 4. But since we want to find the difference set, it means that we want all the values of A that aren't in B as well. Meaning our 3 and 4 will have to go away, which will give us our answer of 1 and 2. So now when we're doing our difference equation from B and A, this will give us, we just have to write down our B, which is our 3, 4, 5, and 6. However, this time we want to take out the intersection between A and B, which again is our 3 and 4. So this will instead give us our 5 and 6. And then finally, we have our A complement. So our A complement, if you remember, is going to be everything in the set of A, everything that's not in the set of A. So our union set, as we can see, goes from 1 to 6. So our union set, which I'll write here, our union set, which is all the numbers in our set, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in order to find the complement, what we need to do is look at our union set, take out all the numbers that are also in A, and then we'll get our A complement. So notice that A has 1 to 4. So when we cross it out, it will give us our remaining, or our A complement, which is 5 and 6.